rush fam, so we're back at it again, another video. So this time we're out by the Kingston 876 commercial development right on Mandela out by Ferry. So you guys stay tuned, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright guys, so it's the Kingston 876 commercial development. What I'll do is put in the comments one of the previous videos I did on this development so that you guys can see where it's coming from. It's out by Mandela, that's the Nelson Mandela Highway, popular called Ferry. So it's a multi-billion dollar investment, and there's already a few tenants out here. What we're doing is just taking an update on what's happening out here. So we'll just be flying the drone, so it's a drone video around some of the current occupants, and there's two ongoing construction as well. So one is down there close to where ATL is storing their vehicle. Not sure what's going down there, but they cleared the land, put up the perimeter wall. You have tropical battery down that side, you have a couple warehouse over that side, but still a lot of empty land, still a lot of empty lots, you know, waiting for the right development. And then from there, so a lot more warehouse as well. So you have 2939 warehouse. Fontana is one of the tenant, electrical buy companies are tenant. Then you have Iterum call center and a construction beside it. I was told it's a warehouse slash office. And you know you have Nestle, one of the first tenants. You have Tankwell way down the corner, and some more warehouse as well. You have a gas company, you have Shopman truck company. So what we're gonna do is just to fly as close by all the tenants as possible, so you guys can see what's happening out this side. Development have slowed down, but it's an update video on this development for you guys. So stay tuned, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share and subscribe. Thanks for all your support. The video is a bit windy, we're having some high winds, so apologies for that as well. So stay tuned guys while I set up the drone and get some bird's eye view.